What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this business conference flyer in Photoshop in just a few clicks. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for Photoshop and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. The process is similar on your Mac. When this is done, launch Photoshop and drag and drop the business conference file into Photoshop to open the project. The process to edit the template content is relatively easy and straightforward. Once the business conference template file is fully loaded in Photoshop, proceed to expand the Your Images group and double-click the image layer. A new window will open up. Here, drag and drop the images you want to add behind the template's text content. It could be anything, as long as it supplements the purpose of your business conference flyer. Use an image file in PNG format, as it supports transparent backgrounds. When done inserting images, make sure to adjust the scale and position of the layer. Use the Ctrl and S shortcut on Windows or Command and S on Mac to apply your changes. And then they will be applied automatically to your business conference flyer template. When this is done, go ahead and edit the text layers to your liking. You can find a few text layers in the business conference template file. For instance, you have a date field, sponsor field, main heading field, and footer field, to name a few. The process of entering the appropriate text into these text fields is essentially the same. Expand the relevant text file group and double-click the required text layer thumbnail. You will then be prompted to enter your new text. Repeat this same process for each of the text fields on the template. In case you don't have the font in your Photoshop library that is used in the template, there's no need to worry. When you extracted the files, you also extracted a PDF document. Open this document and you will see the links to the original fonts used in the template. Download them or choose any of your currently available fonts in your Photoshop library. Continue experimenting with other features on the template until you get it to look like the flyer you want. After making the necessary changes to this Photoshop template, you can go ahead and export your final project. The link to this template and our extensive guide will be linked in the video description. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.